Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for October 1st, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, we saw a dramatic turn lower today after very weak ISM Manufacturing data that came out this morning. The number posted was 47.8 for the month of September compared to an expected number of 50.2. That was actually the lowest reading since 2009, and after that the markets just sold off right into the close. The Dow was lower by 343 points going out at the low. The S&P 500 finished lower by 36 points, while the NASDAQ down a little over 90 points, and the Russell 2000 was lower by almost 30 points today. The bond market was flat, and the yield on the 10-year note settling at 1.638%. Crude oil was lower by just 12 cents, while gold spiked $12.30. This on very, very weak U.S. dollar. You can see it was strong earlier in the day, but after that manufacturing data number, it completely reversed course and finished much lower. Now, most stocks finished lower today, but the brokerage firms were dramatically lower. Charles Schwab came out with news. They are eliminating commissions for online trades of stocks, ETFs, and options listed on U.S. or Canadian exchanges. They took a big hit, down almost 10%, but have a look at their rivals here. E-Trade was lower by 16.5% today, and the one that got hurt the most was Ameritrade, down a whopping 25.76%. So a dramatic turn lower there, and they are likely going lower from there. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.